PaintShop Pro continues to expand the limits of AI technology with new tools like AI Portrait Mode, which automatically detects your photo's human subjects and creates a blurred background effect to make them pop. Or AI Background Replacement, which makes it easy to place your subject on a new background without having to mask them out yourself. AI Style Transfer has upgrades as well, like the new Color Match slider, which allows you to preserve your image's original color palette, and the new Smooth Image slider, which lets you control the level of texture and detail in your effect. PaintShop Pro 2022 also introduces the all-new Frame tool, which makes it easy to place raster objects inside of shapes and accelerate the creation of your digital layouts. And the Welcome Screen's new Workspace tab includes built-in tutorials to help you master all of PaintShop Pro's specialized workspaces. Transform your photos into something amazing with PaintShop Pro 2022.